Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your Garmin model and checking internal or micro SD free space. This prevents transfer failures. Once done, connect the device via USB or insert the micro SD into a reader on your computer. Make sure Garmin Express is installed if you plan to use official maps, otherwise locate a compatible IMG file you legally own. Begin the transfer immediately. Don't prep extra files. Focus on the one map you'll install, so the device indexing finishes cleanly. Now you perform the critical copy step. You mount the Garmin or micro SD and open the Garmin folder at the root. This is where maps belong. If your map is a single IMG file, rename it gmapsup. IMG to ensure the unit recognizes it and make sure no other file uses that name. Conflicts prevent loading. Then copy the file into the Garmin directory on the chosen storage. Once copied, safely eject to avoid corruption and let the device finish writing before unplugging. You finish by restarting the Garmin and navigating to Settings, then Maps to enable the newly added map. Toggling map visibility ensures the unit loads it. If you don't see the map, verify the file name, confirm it's a valid Garmin IMG, and ensure it resides in the Garmin folder on the active storage. If problems persist, reformat the micro SD to FAT32 and retry, or use Garmin Express to install official maps. This resolves most indexing or compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.